The scooter world has been buzzing lately. And not just in India. After months of rumors, Yamaha finally launched the Aerox E, the fully electric version of their popular sports scooter. The reveal happened in India, but the news quickly reached Europe and even the US. Because this isn't just another electric scooter, this is an Aerox going electric for the first time. The Aerox name has always carried a sporty reputation. In Southeast Asia, it's known as the go-to scooter for riders who want sharp styling and strong performance. In Europe, the Aerox has a long history too, especially back in its 150 cubic centimeters days as a lightweight, aggressive little machine. It's never officially been sold in the US, but American riders know about it, mostly from conversations about cool scooters we never get. So when rumors of an electric Aerox started spreading, many people wondered whether Yamaha could keep that sporty DNA alive in an EV. On the technical side, the Aerox E is surprisingly strong. It uses a 9.4 kilowatts electric motor with 48 Newton-meters of torque, putting it above most everyday electric scooters. The dual 3 kilowatt-hour removable batteries give it around 106 kilometers of range on a full charge. Yamaha also uses a mid-drive setup with a small gearbox, something rare for scooters, giving the Aerox E a more mechanical and natural riding feel, similar to what some European EV brands aim for. With riding modes like Eco, Standard, and Power, plus a boost mode, ABS, and traction control, the Aerox E clearly targets the premium sport EV segment. In Europe, it could go head-to-head with electric scooters like the Vespa Elettrica, but with a more performance-oriented personality. And if it ever reached the US, it would fill a gap in a market that still doesn't offer many sporty electric scooters. Yamaha hasn't announced pricing in India yet, but judging from the specs and features, it will likely land in the mid to upper EV range. If it's ever released in Europe, the price could be noticeably higher due to regulations and EV-related taxes. In the US, Yamaha usually chooses scooter models carefully, but the Aerox E has the potential to attract riders in big cities looking for something sporty, practical, and electric. Overall, the Aerox E feels like Yamaha's effort to carry their fun-to-ride character into the electric era. It keeps the Aerox spirit alive, but delivers it through a cleaner and more modern platform. The question is, if Yamaha brought the Aerox E to your country, whether that's Indonesia, Europe, or the US, do you think riders would be excited? Or would they still prefer the traditional gas-powered Aerox?